In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand Notion's second brain, 5 minutes. Let's set up a simple but powerful second brain in Notion using the ARA method, which stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. Start by logging into your Notion workspace so you're ready to build. Create a new top-level page and name it Para. This will act as your home for everything you capture and organize. Instead of making plain pages, use databases. Databases unlock properties, relations, filters, and views that make information easy to connect and retrieve later. Begin with a project's database. Add properties like status with options such as to do, in progress, and done. Include a deadline date so you can sort and filter by urgency. Also add a relation property that links each project to the area's database you'll create next. This ensures every project clearly supports a larger responsibility in your life. Now build an area's database to represent ongoing categories such as business, personal, or home. Areas don't end. They're the containers that give your projects context. Then set up a resources database. Think of this as your library for notes, articles, PDFs, videos, and research. Add tags for topics, and use the web clipper to save articles directly into your resources database so nothing valuable gets lost. For archives, you can either create a separate database or, more simply, add an archived status to each database and make a filtered view. That way you keep history without cluttering what's current. Next, connect your system. Link each project to the area it supports, and make sure every project rolls up to an area so your effort always aligns with your priorities. Link resources to the specific projects they inform, so relevant notes and articles surface exactly where you work, not buried somewhere else. With the foundations in place, build a master dashboard as your landing page. Add a gallery view of projects filtered to in progress, so your active work is always front and center. Include a daily tasks list view that pulls in tasks related to those active projects, filtered by today or this week, so your focus stays tight. Finally, add an inbox, a simple table for quick brain dumps. Capture ideas, links, and notes here, then periodically sort them into projects, areas, resources, or archives. That's your Notion second brain. Connected databases, clear categories, and focused views that help you think less about where things go and more about doing the work that matters.